FF5 Sisters. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jonna. So today we are going to be showing you 3 hairstyles you can really do for any occasion, anytime, doesn't really matter.
For any length of hair, I'm pretty sure, as long as it's shoulder and longer.
The first one we'll be showing you is a pull-through braid that goes all the way down her hair, which took forever because her hair's so long.
I'm getting it cut soon. Stay tuned for that video. Not that soon, but kind of soon.
The second hairstyle is this messy bun that I'm wearing right now. It's pretty easy and simple, literally. And the last one is this hairstyle, which is a little pull-through thing, which you'll see more in the actual video. So let's get right on to that video.
This is the first hairstyle we'll be showing you. It is called the pull-through braid. What you will need for this hairstyle are lots of little tiny elastic bands. To begin, you will take the top section of hair and divide it into a little ponytail. Then, right below that one, you will make another ponytail. Then you will take the top ponytail and split it into 2 pieces and wrap it around the bottom ponytail, as shown here. Then you will gather some more hair into the little chunks of hair that you have and tie that off with a rubber band. Then you will have a little loop that you can pull out to give more volume. You will continue this process down the whole head. You will split the top ponytail into 2, gather hair with it on the sides, and then tie it off with a ponytail. Keep doing this until you run out of hair to gather in, and then go down the rest of the hair as normal. Second hairstyle I'll be showing you is this messy bun. To start, you will need one hair tie that you can put on your wrist for later, and you'll see how that works out. Then you can start gathering your hair into the top of your head. It took me a while. I don't know. I just had to even out all the little bumps, so you can do that. Then when you get it all gathered to the top of your head, you will start pulling your hair tie around the loop. You will not pull all your hair through. You can hold the bun in your hand and wrap the rest of your hair around the bun and then tie it off. I hope you can understand it by mostly the video, so you can see what I did there. If you want, you can add bobby pins to stick some loose ends around, but I thought mine held pretty well. And then you will just tweak it the way you want and pull some hairs out to frame your face, and yeah, here is your messy bun. The last hairstyle we'll be showing you is a half-up pull-through braid. To begin, you will take one section on either side of the face and gather it in the back. Twist each piece towards the head and then tie it off with an elastic. You can also tug on the twist to make it more full and messier. Then, after you've done that, directly below the twist, gather 2 sections of hair and wrap it around the ponytail holder that you just tied. Then take the bottom strands, split them into two, and wrap it around the top strand. Gather some hair into each side of those two pieces. And then tie it off with an elastic. Repeat this process for the rest of that part of the hair. Just take the bottom one, split it into two, wrap it over the top, and tie off with an elastic. And you can also pull out on the sides of the braid part to make it more full.
So much for watching that video. Hope you got some hairstyle inspiration if you're looking for some. Please comment down below some video ideas because we're kind of struggling on that and we need some video ideas. Are we gonna vlog when you go your test?
Yeah.
So we might vlog when she gets her driver's test, which is in like a couple weeks.
It's scheduled now, guys. So, so thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you really enjoyed it. Comment down below if you tried any of these hairstyles. Tell us how they went.
And make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already because we're trying to reach 200 still, or we're kind of trying to reach like anything.
What are we at now? Like 170?
We're at like 170 something, yeah.
I haven't checked in a while.
Yay! Woo! So thanks so much for subscribing if you're already subscribed.
Yeah.
See you next week with hopefully a good video. I'm not sure what it is though.
See you next week on FF5 Friday.
FF5? No, because that sounds like the only first 5 Fridays. It's not even like. We need to come up with a name
FF5
for
Sisters
our
Friday.
day. Yeah. But we might even change our channel name too, so
Who knows?
what do we do with our hands?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next Friday.
See you on FF5 Sisters. Whoa, my hair looks like really frizzy.
Ew.